nyame eya adoma omu gina Ghana name na oma kosia ya name the CAF Confederations Cup nu because omu na GMTNF Cup no DC omu enaso na onbobo anuma omu ye na nim say before ababo Africa ni ade no ese CAF ba no be inspection be bia abobo games ni ade asa no be jatum no abo games o ha ozo timi abo ho na nim say nations be bi ombo games eya brankese na nemu na no pen ye ne omu CEO Kennedy Boachansa edin komo na ode ade sredie bi ato regional minister nim ene aban nso enim yentie CEO Edema Nations FC Kennedy Boachansa na ento adwumadi no so emfa emama
fact no na prehom kakra pise mini atam akwene mi Fawino
na am say we no twitwi no matie for mo fanche yi ni twitwi no kakra na yentie Kennedy Boachansa CEO Edema Nations FC adesradia omo ade ato regional minister Dr. Mwakwene edna aban no na yenti okay
my prehom kakra pise mini adatam akwene mi shanenda that is our Ashanti regional minister but I think yembo insema the young man we say I have watched the things that he's done on social media and one of the things that strike me most asukwa interchange na other bridge on sa paintings from ABBA na FPI the beautification of that place na ABBA abo Kumasi na aba Kumasi IF that the best area na say Sibian kwet my way nsum there nkoni penifo so intimi boy nkambom na nke kwana free putuja kwa kusi abono nkometima boa na nke omuntimi nyef nti ebesre Dr. Frank Amakwen yebesre mefa wo fi de kese so na ya nkasa so ya say say abanada na intimanya musume ya moye fi say Nations FC epijama yankwa pijama Ashanti region totality intimanya for fidi so na menfa ntum penefeni na nke kwai no between the next 2 months improvement commercial no monyembo so na bia Dr. Kwame Chase Sports Complex but you're meeting all the preliminary requirements but the akane requirement
okay enti any CEO Edema Nations FC Kennedy Boachansa na some titini ni tietie na so almost raban titi regional minister say ekwan na ekọ abrankese from Aputoda ade kono ekwan no enyenyenyenyenyenyenyenye na kafo for no ba no mo fa sa kwan so anhwe ekwan no nko akeke ebe mo maka so omo game no ebo eye abrankese wontu almost raban say abanhwe na fixing road no emfa emom na me ka say Nations technical team no Oma bifini up. Oma say Drasko Lugarasic from Croatia. Ona say the team no at the Emano na Johnson Smith or say ono nebe no assistant na fi wasanso the U side of Nations FC. Ano the sadia Kennedy Boachansa so no at the to empenifo and at the quantum person yehwesa asem we and say Sekafu for na anja brankese antuma it means that I will say Nations game no the Baba Stadium. Yen na so the situation currently I Baba Stadium. Eminti sanya be yen na yebetua savage situation no. I think yen tie won na ekwan na ni china sa ban betuma ye hu bibia. Yen hwe na yen kwan mfa momo. And yen Kennedy nko meka ayala ko ho bai. Ono so meka the same thing. Say kwan here terrible. Very terrible. Good.
Rich, I better say, maybe not so, but 30 seconds on Rasko Lugarasic. Where Madame Papa, Mini Papa, and Yenchakra, me body power, only say a local game, Lydia. Ye did that, me body power. But I coach back on so I bro Ghana football, Mupa. Yes, so be a bro, no. Or no, now, Kai, Yayonia be, say do. I call Pamo training grounds. Or what says so, sir, Pamo, sir. Osia me after Okasa no usu. But that notwithstanding, he's a good coach. Let me read for Aku Kenya nyina do go ma here. Akwa coach.
Sika akonu team no.
Akwa nyina da. But ade ni Rich, Nations 1 by CAF criteria. When him say Ghana football, Premier no also cry license A and son waiting at na bench as the head coach. Division 1 they are flexible even with license B to meet na bench as the head coach. But Premier they sign it here. And a pair of criteria and so no rich it is and you know license A Johnson Smith any B. Yankayo okra license B. When him say time na Smith person license A no. Say time na expose ne buy no. Omo halt his activities ni na no. Enti oni bi as a matter of fact. Enti no obey he obi. No e wo bi. Need dia support. No nti na match Rasco Lugarosic. Abem. And yes, sir, seriously, Johnson Smith is a very good coach.
Yeah,
very good coach. And I know the coach salvage situation ma basekeno. I don't know maybe other kotoko you side that say has or can say what destroy or mono. I mean very good coach, but that is the reason. See, sometimes class be one on the first certain coaches and yes say a pill, but because of sir license and issue no. Okay, that was a career and maybe an kotokonya problem. Dr. Kwame Chi time no. Rich, and you know yamra issue na that board na so. Sha the only say Yenya Kennedy Boachi ansa wan ka bibia about Abrankesi Stadium no uti cause eno ye private property. Minim sa Abrankesi adwuma kakra ho okọ no ma mako akọ okra dressing rooms 4 and the level no e was so okọ stadium ho na hwe facilities ne how omo e ho a e me madam fu bi o agent we Portuguese yet stadium ho rich miss Ohwe stadium no onni nua ne buy na ye omo say one man na why saade no e ho no mo recommend Dr. Kwame Chi but rich no crepa ne say lightning issue ne the problem kakra ho say no so omo ye
they will fix.
Yes, they would have to fix it. Rich, sir, a quine dear na ya can once and so open Ghana ha and Ashanti region, baby bako pa and can a strategic point pa in terms of business activities and can bet me a use the party at this car. What him saying can you look on because of Lake Bosom channel. Can bet me a lot of activities, a tourist site case. But a typical Ghanaian mentality, I say, Bibi am fire hunti, ya tu bibi a jejem. Say, abai air cry we are. Oh, yeah, my nation's FC. I had the Amagana and I'm a boy. And your nation's FC. Now, so on the CAF competition, how many months no the bebo? But the moment obey and I had the bakwa, I buy it to me as a crying on a big time credit at the man. Because amount for a super rich member for quite so far for her. A cry by quo fast one na wusu. And Futron said they are crying in your city city. And to do one and almost call her. I want to mean for more private cars and go teach you. So a private car no ever form one.
Okay, time Black Stars. Me and baby mama training back myself. You don't call players complain. Oh, now some more about crash bus and can now share their respective body language. No, it's clearly no omweja. It's rich. So I buy it to me a crying and care. And can a bebo no buy na ampo. And your politics near by reality no any eka. Because stadium ne dia, and your state ne dia, private man edia. Into no say ne Dr. Kwame Chi sports stadium hono. Say a bob CAF organized competition bia hono ma. Apart from security, a beba hono ma was say yeti sika edemo no. State rin to me Jessica bia to say the Asante Kotoko against Cotton Sport Garwa yeti no. Yentimi nti sai sika no but also at the point na say enti na nke advantage kese edma his ana ene ne ma no say ankom bebo ball no e wo ho na sa support ne nso akọ but rich unfortunately reality o me see enim CAF standard CAF criteria o say CAF kra no say o say prelims na say a o miamra no mbebere but ye boku enim na e ba be rama ni zone na group stage onom no e na o miamra no. But never be a too basic and only there, even at the prelims. Here, a be a quite leading to study when ya. Won't me in free rather than officials. Yes, oh, say, money. And raise only my dear way, so no. And Dr. Frank Amwako in a Jumabo, Baba Bisa, who say, a Juma way, dear Sumano, who in the entire Sumano. Rich a cry that on a year can. And your billions in poor trillions are some year cool. But also the point, and then you can obey me the just few days be a fixed point. No, and yet, and Tessa. They say, Baba said him so, and yet, Dabio, nations seem to me fun and into Baba House, make I Barbara Sports Stadium, and a baby and go stars Africa and Corpus or bonus or Kaya. When your opportunity, I'm far, I'm more honum. In Swatraman, so can Swatramandia.
ono nso any opportunity because na no and the first option Gold Stars say can say ontimi more the venue no no anim say ntimi host no.
Okay.
That was the place anan ko mo ye. But so sad. But the icon reality they say Nations FC. Yes, this say be auto fan cry.
The idea da wona na me no di Baba Stadium hunkom yi. Pitch afa na sabi yakofa sikan yede ade wo kitchen. Yedi tutu from the area da benichra. And who tell bibia it seems here na brankese no kafofo no ba no man yanto. Baba na so enye ready.
Mupe crocodile jump out. But how are they going to do this road before the season starts and they do it? It's not feasible.
Yentimi nya na sapetin bi momo.
So I can't no go sapetin.
Just ni emfa sapetin bi nguso for the meantime mo. I want to emfa sapetin nguso.
There be. So I can't go at whose cost? States. No, I say be yet the real road maybe just because of Nations FC. No disrespect Nations FC, but because of Nations FC, nah, they won't do it. Near likely.
Baba Stadium so available.
Say be a NSC boss say be one more year. Before the season started, most likely that one is.
Me pam chow say video no an kam san fa man bi Baba Stadium de no.
Oh, any day.
Ko video yi na ne de ye o. Omo de sekan o. Na no omudi tutu. Na omo kututu grasses ni bi baby no omudi dua.
Say effective this there. It may not be as effective like I said, but maybe ometimi recover grass now by NSA problem. And no one also goes back.
Seriously, sometimes I want to say, it didn't come in here because you're football nation. I am slow. As a good, you know, you need a job born your pay. But investment, they are more born your baby, we are here. Oh, near my egg. I'm on for a far gone. I'm on sebi. Ye who am on a football nation. Some come on, nibi. But yene a football nation. Your World Cups and 5.
Yeah. I mean,
that should depict.
It was a good attempt.
Basic things.
It was a good attempt by Kennedy Boachansa to rope in the Ashanti Regional Minister, but Mr. don't put the Ashanti Regional Minister into a place where he doesn't want to be. It's a government and budgeted for South Carolina.
Yeah, because there's a parliament. It's a
really long shot. It's a really long shot. And Rich, meme de bi ameka enya ban we nya ban awatwa konkwa. For me, I would die on the hill of government participation. And I was on TikTok and I made chance on a video on a Norwegian fan and I got an Ibis and said, Argentina, Norway. You see, Rich, why did we scrap the betting tax in its entirety? Norway, if you want to say, snow, it's conducive for football.
Okay.
All year round, especially in the northern part of Norway, it's the Arctic, maybe a board of one. It's one of the coldest places football was played last season in the Champions League. So it is not conducive. They be out snow better. But they find a way. It is the proverbial story of Senia Abuan Tatia. During the times of a channel, or found out to for no it is so tono shemo di. Na sebe kwasi ampeni esu to na ebu no near the. So you see, for them, everything gambling. The government takes the money, gives it to the federation. Into my indoor stadium across. It is not about near Tobemba.
Yes, or near Boyabo.
Finding creative ways to get it, and they look for the ways because Rich Obianka said Kojibeti for Nesika. But there's a part of that money I can go into it.
I bet me the devour
today we still talk about alcoholic beverages. Alcoholic beverages
a
huge source of revenue for us for our football. But as it stands now, consistently, government after government don't want to take the toughest decision because Rankard Association of Ghana, Betting Association of Ghana, so we don't take the right steps. Media, you can blame the people that you blame, but governments that have come and gone.
No, that's Yenti. What do I say? 5% in the crown is one. At least 2. Yeah. 2 no. What the Embo boys can know. With the idea say
10%.
10%, right? Okay. What a 10 and 5.
Yeah.
What I say? 5 near the year. That's a can be. yɛmfɛ stadium a asɛ yɛn yɛbɛtumi de akɔhyɛm ne develop ni nyinaa ama yɛn football na tumi asɛ baabi adu no ɛnɛ baabi awi asɛ du yi baabi a bɛbɔ kora yi ni bi Black Stars eba kurom ha ni ɛpɛ baabi a mɔma training.
I think somewhere about a couple of months ago I was driving from Accra to Kumasi and as Kumasi to Accra and I meet you when they do me chrome and you from south side no say utie Love FM Kumasi I switches to Joy ti automatically switch Joy and I meet you Yampo Fanka NSA boss and the secretariat of the sports fund who's the sports fund on my pass which in the explanation of the sports fund the most important thing is the source of revenue.
Maybe a business canon.
Yes, up to stand now there is no clarity. One thing your sports fund you pass it, but a better white elephant because we will not get money to go there. Only maybe a get fund. Get fund is the biggest source of fund in education in this part of the world. Where do we get the money from? From taxation. A taxation here they mine. It's as clear as that. So in sport, if you want to go for it, Rich, you enjoy the waffling. Ochinabo Dr. Baumia the next list Beba me say if any of the two political parties the next election, if for me, then personally I will vote. If I will vote for any of the parties, you need to give me proper credible document on sports. It shouldn't be always be work as usual.
So there be a World Cup near level one ye be nyani adiabano. Run 32 groups say yaba. Any serious back cry. But you have predicted winning McBurry biscuits. McBurry